To make a three-phase Delta-Wye power system applicable for single phase, a fourth wire can be added. Firstly, you'll need to identify the three-phase Delta-Wye transformer. This device converts the Delta configuration to the Y configuration. Secondly, run a new fourth wire from the neutral point of the Y configuration. This new wire provides the ground reference for the single-phase system. Thirdly, connect the fourth wire to the ground bus in the electrical panel. This action establishes a path for electrical current to flow to the ground. Fourthly, reconfigure the electrical panel by replacing the three-phase circuit breaker with single-phase circuit breakers and ensure the wiring is connected appropriately. This conversion avoids replacing the existing three-phase transformer and electrical wiring. It allows for single-phase electrical equipment use, which is typically more readily available and affordable. It also provides a safe and reliable electricity source. Remember that this conversion should only be performed by a qualified electrician. Ensure the electrical panel and wiring are rated for the single-phase load. The new fourth wire must be the same size or larger than the existing phase wires.